no good to me. Maybe try one of the big ones and see.
This is the day when bad hormone fell. A day of rejoice and happiness too. Finish the mitzvah of yourself. Gather the money on your shelf. And we don't need to say no more. Come and touch and wash down with wine. Share a few jokes and have a good time. Just donate all you can. Collecting money is our plan. And we don't need to say no more. We're collecting for gifts, give to charity, for people who live inside poverty. We're asking you once, we're asking you twice. It's not a mitzvah that you want to get burned. We're collecting for gifts, give to charity, for people who live inside poverty.